Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. Shiba Inu news today. If you hold 5 million SHIB, you must see this. Shiba price prediction. Shiba Inu is surrounded by great news, whether it's the price surge, project developments, or changes in the ecosystem. Investors are back, and once again, the buying spree has begun. The token is expected to explode soon. This video is loaded with incredible information about SHIB and the latest happenings, so make sure you watch the video until the end. In this video, we will talk about if you hold 5 million SHIB, you must see this Shiba price prediction. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. At press time, SHIB was trading at $0.0001103 after eyeing a 4.10% price hike in 24 hours. The upticks can be attributed to a number of late announcements on the Shiba Inu network. The RSI for Shiba Inu is currently transacting at 48.34 and has moved below the 14-day average line on the daily chart as a result of today's price action. The bulls have lost their footing on the daily chart as Shiba Inu's technical analysis showcases a substantial downside possibility for the altcoin. The green histograms have continuously waned in strength on the daily chart, whereas the MACD line trailing the signal line points to the presence of intense selling pressure. Now, let's get back to the subject. Back in 2020, the ERC20 token began its journey. Despite the initial bearings of the platform, it has modified the fundamentals and is now equipped with the DEX, a metaverse platform, and is accelerating speedily towards token burning for long-term positioning. After rising to public attention during the 2021 bull market, Shiba Inu's developers have crafted several initiatives to help what started as a simple meme token gain traction as a more legitimate project. SHIBASWAP is the metaverse of the Shiba Inu meme currency, which will be a meeting point for owners of this digital token with games and could include virtual land and non-fungible tokens. The metaverse is the Shiba Inu ecosystem's own metaverse space, described by developer Eric M. as a place where our community, tokens, game, Shiba Swap, and way more is going to meet together. Hosted on shib.io, it will feature 100,595 plots of land that will be available to purchase. These will all be placed on the metaverse map, lined with streets with Shiba-related names. The metaverse land will also contribute towards the SHIB burn using a renaming process similar to the Shiboshi NFT burns. Shiboshi NFT holders will have an exclusive area of the metaverse known as the Shiboshi Zone. The token is also getting increasingly adopted for payment purposes, and the number of organizations that accept it is on the rise. It is one of the world's most dominating and interesting cryptocurrencies today. It began its journey with quadrillion tokens, but now almost 50% of its tokens have burned. The predictions for the year 2022 include that Shiba Inu can reach $0.0001 in the crypto market following the crypto winter. By 2023, the pricing is expected to rise to $0.00015 in 2023, and by 2025, $0.0002. The ecosystem for this token is still in its developmental phase, and this year, the performance is bound to escalate. A prediction of Shiba Inu made by a crypto research firm Telegon that employs AI has caught sight of the community. The firm expects SHIB to hit a maximum of $9.61 by the year 2050. SHIB is expected to hit a new ATH by 2025 following the halving of Bitcoin. The analysts expect Shiba Inu to claim a new ATH by 2040, as the K9 coin could have lost 50% of its supply to burns. While the predictions are overwhelming for any SHIB holder, however, since the $9 target is decades ahead, we cannot expect things to unfold alike, as the digital asset would undergo an N number of events over time. In a noteworthy instance, Satoshi Kozama cited that the bear market opens up the best opportunity for one to buy or burn. The statement coming from a known personality from the team has infuriated sections of investors. Regarding the burn events, 410,369,970,331,037 SHIB have been burnt from the initial supply. Wrapping up with the initiatives such as developmental and burn events, the price of the meme coin could eventually rise to greater heights in the higher time frame. Moreover, SHIB, one of the top holds of the top 100 ETH whales, will further upkeep the price during extreme volatility. SHIB investors are looking to make the most of the crypto market recovery in July. SHIB itself has been witnessing some steady recovery over the last few days. Shiba Inu also recently surpassed the $6 billion market cap. This has enabled the meme-based cryptocurrency to go close to the likes of Avalanche and Polygon. A recent report also confirmed an uptick in whale transactions for Shiba Inu. The supply distribution by the balance on addresses confirmed that different whale classes have been accumulating. Furthermore, SHIB recently broke into the top 500 Ethereum whales in USD terms. Recent whale accumulation has allotted wider participation of SHIB tokens among whales. Coins.ph, the largest crypto exchange in the Philippines, has delayed the launch of Shiba Inu on its platform. Previous reports had claimed that the exchange would release the meme currency on July 13th, but it has since been delayed. A recent tweet by the exchange later promised that SHIB would be launched very soon. There is also a new update on the burning portal from the acclaimed burn tracker portal ShibBurn. The site claims that over 767 million SHIB tokens were sent to dead wallets over the past 24 hours. Moreover, in the past week alone, 1.2 billion SHIB tokens have been burnt in over 104 transactions. Shiba Inu is attempting to build a strong foundation for a strong bull run. Investors will be looking to conjure growth during the mini rally in July. Several factors on the network had allowed it to reach its ATH back in November 2021. Only time will tell whether it can hit its ATH again. In a July 2022 blog post, the lead developer of Shiba Inu, Satoshi Kusama, announced 4 new developments to roll out this year. They include the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain, allowing developers to build dApps and projects on top of the Shiba Inu infrastructure. The new Bone token will pay for gas fees. The SHI stablecoin is also due for release in 2022 to bring a US dollar-pegged token into the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The Treat token will also go live as a reward token for the 4th development coming soon, the Shiba collectible card game. Satoshi Kusama called this last development the best collectible card game on the planet. After Ryoshi stepped back, Shiba Inu's colossal success was driven purely by a decentralized community. Thousands of investors across the world have found inventive ways to boost SHIB's profile, burn SHIB from supply, or give SHIB extra use cases. These include a suite of businesses burning Shiba Inu from a % of their profits, as well as the SHIBASWAP portal, which rewards a shifty APY to any users who destroy SHIB on the platform. The decentralization means Shiba Inu is safe from centralized developers playing pump and dump schemes, or otherwise putting investors' funds at risk. It also makes the Shiba Inu community a welcoming place and rewarding for anyone involved socially and economically. The biggest problem facing Shiba Inu is this: the legendary returns are now a thing of the past. Shiba Inu has no core utility, nor does it have any built-in buyback and burn mechanism to keep its prices rising long-term. It means that investors are all in the same boat, and they must find ways to either burn tokens at their own cost or build utilities at their own risk. Evergrow Coin is identified as Shiba Inu lookalike because of the way developers are instantly rewarded for their efforts. Evergrow Coin is unique in crypto because the core development team only earns income from exactly the same mechanism as every other investor, BUSD reflections. For the 14% transaction tax, 8% is redistributed instantly as BUSD to all wallets depending on their position size. All the main team members have published their Evergrow Coin wallets online. This both provides accountability that no pump and dump is going on and shows how investors can enjoy BUSD passive income. The transaction tax applies to both buy and sell orders. This helps to discourage large sell-offs and means that all investors hodling through a bear market continue to earn from any sell orders. And that's a wrap for today.